Hi everyone. Today I will show you some beautiful white flowers that bloom almost all year round. The name of this flower is Crepe Jasmine. This flower blooms almost all year round except winter. This flower is called 4 o'clock flowers because it blooms in the afternoon. Flowers bloom all year round, easily propagated by cuttings and seeds. This plant also grows well in small plastic bottles. It's one of the best flowering plants for balcony gardens. The name of this flower is Periwinkle. Flowers bloom all year round, easily propagated by cuttings and seeds. This flowering plant produces many flowers without care. The dried seeds fall under the plant and grow many seedlings. It's a very hardy flowering plant. This plant grows very easily even in small areas with less soil. If you want to have flowers in your garden all year round, then keep this flowering plant in your garden. This flowering plant is commonly known as orange jasmine. This flower blooms almost all year round. It's a fragrant flower. This plant bears small fruits of red and orange color.